How to add contact form on Canva website. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to add contact form on Canva website. To do so, open Canva app on your device. Now at top right corner of the screen, click on create a design. Before that, make sure to log into your particular account. Here you can easily search for a website and press enter on the keyboard. So here is the first option of website, click on it. And then a blank dashboard opens. Now from this left panel, you can click on the text button and click on add a heading of the first option. Here you need to place this add a heading on the top center of the screen. Once you have done that, simply open a new tab on the screen. After that, you need to type in jotform.com and press enter on the keyboard. A new website opens. Here you have to sign into your account with the help of your email. So this is completely free. Once you have logged into this .form.com website, click on template and click on form templates. Here with the help of the search bar, you need to search for contact and click on the search icon next to it. Here you will get so much results for the contacts. You can easily select any one of the contact form to use on Canva website. So let's choose this modern contact form and click on the use template button. Once you have done that, you'll land it on this page where you can easily build the modern contact form as well. You can add the elements or remove any elements from this section if you wish to. So if you click on add form, here are different kinds of elements, that is heading, full name, email, and many more. As you can see, the payments as well and the widgets and so on. For now, let's click on publish button and click on the copy link. Once you have copied to clipboard, you need to go back to the Canva again, where you need to double click on this add a heading and you will see a link icon. Click on the link and after that you need to enter a link. You can easily click on Ctrl V and paste the link. Click on the done button and here under display mode, select the embed and after that you need to wait for a moment. As you can see that we have already added contact form on Canva website. As you can see that it is seeming a little bit untidy, but you can click on the preview at top right corner of the screen and easily see the preview of this contact form. So we can easily see how it looks. So once you have done that, let's close it and you can easily share it with the help of different kinds of social media. So that's how we can add contact form on Canva website. I hope this video worked for you. Hit the like button, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips video. Thank you for watching.